What's going on, my lovely supporters? Today I'm gonna be making some good old steak. Look how much I paid for the steak, man. $21, and y'all can see that the original price is $48.
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
Man, didn't I tell y'all I be catching those sales, man? I love a good sale, man. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate my steak for a while before I start cooking it. So what I'm gonna do is, I got butter on my hand. God damn it. Of course I do. Poke some holes in that bad boy. All right. These are some thick steaks. Let me show y'all, man. Look how thick this steak is. Look how thick that is. And big that is. That's a thick steak, y'all. That's a really thick steak. It's a nice day today, man. It's really nice outside today.
Perfect.
With the steak, I'm gonna be making some Xanarine rice, man. This Xanarine rice, yellow rice, is so darn going good, y'all. Look, I never steered y'all wrong. I'm gonna put that in my new big wok pot, my wok pot. I'm loving this pan, guys. This pan is awesome, man. I am loving this pan. So we're gonna have to add 2 cups of water to this so we can get this rice going, because this takes about 20 minutes to cook, okay? Add some butter to this rice. Spoon, I'm not trying to use no metal thing in my new bowl, my new pot. And we're just gonna mix this up. I got butter and garlic in the pan, so we're just gonna get this to high heat. Then we're gonna throw those steaks in there. Remember, I was marinating my steak for hours, and this is what it looks like. Marinated. I was marinating, it was about 4 or 5 hours I had those marinating. Oh my God, they're gonna be so good. So let this heat up till it get really hot. Then we're gonna throw those sticks in there. All right, y'all, our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys in here so they can get the cooking. Are you helping?
I said, wait a second.
I ain't wanna wait.
Well, that's why you over here looking like this now.
All right, here we go. Damn. So you're just gonna let that bad boy just sit there and fry. You don't even wanna touch it. You don't wanna smell it. You don't wanna lick it.
What?
Just leave it and let it fry on that side. Just let it fry. Let it fry, y'all.
They heard you.
Now I'm just letting them know. Let it fry. Just let it fry. Alright, it's been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. We haven't touched it, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip it. Ooh, baby. Ooh. And it smells so good, y'all. Oh, my God. Alright, y'all, here go my third and final steak that I am making, man. And this steak is looking so good, man. Look at that steak. Let me flip this one real quick. Ooh, baby, look at that, y'all. Steak cooked in butter, y'all. And I got my onions right here on deck. Always put my onions last. Last, always. Whew. Alright, y'all, here go the finished result. You got your rice, you got your steak, and you got, let me get my fork. You got your onions at the bottom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can see how juicy the steak is. Look at that. Let me show y'all the juice. Look how juicy that steak is, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and smash. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.